Yeah, so I was kind of playing around with this yesterday, but I think what I'm going to do, this is one of those styrofoam pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. I think I'm going to paint it white, but first I am going to decoupage some tissue paper on there because I want it to have some texture. So for this, to get the tissue paper on here, all I'm going to do is do my Posh Chalk pigment infuser. And we're going to brush some of that on there. Even if this doesn't lay flat, I'm not really worried about it because we're going to paint all over it. I want to make sure all this is sealed down so we start painting, it's not lifting. So I just added another coat of the tissue paper just to give it some dimension, that's all. Oh, you know what I should do? I forgot, guys. I bought some Folk Art Crackle Medium at Hobby Lobby the other day. Maybe I'll paint it royal bronze first, and then I'll put white over it. I think. Let's do royal bronze first. Kind of exciting. I don't think I have, I might have to make more. Let's just make some. Licorice. I have licorice. I think they upgraded to the onyx right now. So you want to do onyx metallic magical chalk paint from Paint Pixie. Then you're going to need the color New Penny. Yeah, let's just do it. I mean, worst come to worst, it doesn't work, and oh well. Okay. And it doesn't have to be like the perfect shade of royal bronze. I just want to get a dark coat so when we crackle it, the crackles will come through. Okay, so this is just our base coat over all that texture. See how that looks? Just kind of wrinkly. Okay. Okay, so got this one done. Now we're gonna get some white paint. I think I'm probably just gonna use some chalk paint from Folk Art. Let me read that thing again. Base coat surface, make sure it's dry. Apply crackle medium. Oh, we gotta apply the crackle now, y'all. I was about to do the paint. I guess we're gonna do it. This is just Folk Art Crackle Medium, and I got it at Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99. Shoot, this is where it's gonna be tricky. I think I'm gonna do the top first, and then I'll work my way down. Okay, this is just white chalk paint, and you guys are saying go in one direction, which not helping me, like, or an X pattern, but it's kind of hard to do that on a, oh yeah, how fun is that? I see it. Honest to God, guys, I mean, these pumpkins would be cute just like that. See all them cracks? All right, guys, let's just hold off a second, because if I just like it like this, I'll probably just seal all this. But we're going to try it, folks. Let's do a little bit of clear, a little bit of white, a little bit of clear, and a little bit of dark. And let's just see if we... All right, guys, I'm just doing it. It needed the wax, and see, I like that so much better. There's a close-up. That's before with no wax. So see, it's just real subtle. So the pieces that I'm using these. So 3 of these, they're gorgeous. And then I think 4 of these. I'm gonna have 2 that are right next to each other because this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. If it had like an even number of ribs on the pumpkin, then I could get away with doing, you know, every other, but it is what it is. It's going to be spectacular. So I'm just going to start. I am probably going to back this up with some hot glue. Take it like so. Stick it at the, I'm going to go all the way to the stem right there. I go right down the middle. And then just fold it over. OMG. So see guys, it's not, like it's just kind of lay on there. It's just a decoration. I'm going to do every other one. So the next one I'm going to do is going to be this one. And these two I'm going to have, there'll be two that are next to each other, but I mean, it is what it is. I love it. Look how stinking gorgeous that is. So here's what I was thinking. I have these little doodads right here. Don't they kind of look like leaves? So see, look at, I can do a couple and kind of make them go around the top like so. See how I just kind of fluff those things? So here's without. So I'm doing it. And I think for these, I'm probably just going to use, I'm not not so much caring about making these flat. I just kind of like more or less want these. I'm just going to like lay glue. Isn't it gorgeous? All right, so now, and I'm thinking, like you guys, I have some rhinestone trim I might put down here. I think black, or maybe some black rhinestones. I don't know yet, but maybe not. I kind of like it. But I do want to add, what color are we going to make that pumpkin stem? Or what if I like, oh, wait. Oh my gosh. I only have one crown from Totally Dazzled left, but what if I took that around a crown? Should I do a royal bronze? And then we'll see if we like it. If not, I put some gold on it. Okay, I need a big spider on here. So, oh, but you guys know what I have? I also have these vintage gold. These are the glass. I'm a moron. I just stick my hand in wet paint. Like, I totally forgot that I just painted the stem. Okay, a stickle. Instead of stickles, what if we'll do some Mod Podge. I keep touching it. And we go right down the ribs of the pumpkin. And then do some of this German that's what I'm talking about. Yes, let me dry that stupid stem because I need to touch it. Let's just do it. Okay, so here is the spider that I'm gonna use. Now we just gotta find a place to put it. I could put it like up on the top of the stem. Okay, I'm gonna put the Totally Dazzled on top. So let's put that one right there. I think it looks, I mean, I found some other smaller spiders I could put. I mean, if I wanted to get jiggy with it, you know, why not? Because, you know, I'm all about weird. Here's my version of a glam pumpkin. But there, I did, let's just hold it from here. There we go. I got all those glass beads down the ribs. There's a little spider. We did a spider. This is Queen Spider up here. I put another black one right there crawling up the side. So this is like a glam spooky spider. And then we've got all those fabulous Totally Dazzled appliques all the way around.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.